7 kilometers in a beautiful wooded area. About 8 bridges on it. We didn't do any two of the same. There's one nice little waterfall, not a big waterfall, but it's quite nice. We intend putting in picnic table and seats at that point. A family walk free from cattle. It was part of an old mass path which people used to go to church in Ballyorgan. As we came along to one little bridge, we heard all this noise. I thought first it was birds chirping or something. I didn't know what it was. It turned out it was actually a family of otter playing in the water. October, November, salmon come all the way up from the sea. They come up by the Blackwater River, onto the River Funcheon and onto this little river. They actually travel upstream beyond the village of Ballyorgan. And I've often spent hours watching them jump, or trying to jump, or jumping this waterfall here.